Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing gungo rice and peas. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So I'm gonna start off by adding some water to my pot, and then I'm gonna go in and add my green gungo peas, and make sure you wash them off nicely before you go ahead and add it to the pot. I will also add some garlic, and once I add all of that, I will just cover it and allow it to cook nicely until it is soft. Now, it's a possibility you might need to add a little bit more water. So what you want to do, you're just gonna go ahead and add some water to a pressure cooker, or you can just add it to your kettle and just put it on the stove, or you can just plug in your kettle and just allow it to come to a boil until you see that you need to add some water to your gungo peas. All right, so once it's finished cooking, I will come back and of course show you guys what it looks like, so stay tuned for all of that. And this is it, guys. My gungo peas, it's all cooked nicely. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take up a small amount and then I'm gonna use my hand to just press into it. And if you press into it without applying a lot of pressure, then you know it is cooked. So I'm gonna go in now and add some butter, and I will also add some French thyme. I'm gonna add some scallion, of course I'm gonna add scotch bonnet pepper, and I also add some pimento berries as well. I will go ahead and of course add some salt, combine all of that goodness together. Then I'm gonna add some coconut milk, and this is the authentic coconut milk that I'm using. However, you can always go ahead and opt to use the coconut milk powder if that's what you can get. All right, once I add all of that goodness, I will just combine everything together nicely, and of course I'm going to allow it to come to a boil nicely, because you want to ensure that the coconut milk is cooked properly before you go ahead and add your rice. Now, I will be using white rice today. However, you can always go ahead and use brown rice if you have brown rice at home. So once my coconut milk is cooked nicely, I'm going to go in and of course add the rice. Once I add the rice, make sure you wash it first though. I will just combine everything together nicely, because you don't want all of that peas to settle on top. So you want to ensure that you combine all of that goodness together nicely. And then I'm going to turn my stove on medium heat, allow that to come to a boil nicely. And once most of the water is boiled out of my rice, I will turn it down on low heat and just allow it to just simmer down nicely, because you want your rice and peas to be shelly and nice. And basically this is it, the final product of my amazing gungo rice and peas. I serve mine up with some fried chicken, and of course I add some basic vegetables on top, and of course it was so amazing. So the full recipe gonna be in the description box. You can always go ahead and check that out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and remember to subscribe to my channel.